Hey friends, welcome to my channel Activities for Students. My name is Neha Batra. Welcome to my channel. If you have already liked and subscribed my channel, then it's totally perfect. And if you haven't, so do this right now. Today I'm going to share some sorting activities with you guys because sorting is the ability to find difficulties, similarities among the people, among the object, among the shapes and size. So come with me. Sorting is the ability to identify similarities and difference among a set of objects and to group and name them accordingly. I can sort by shape, color and size. In this I am sorting by color. We typically narrow the task down to sorting by two colors. I am giving red and blue blocks. These are blocks of game known as Zynga. Students sort Then we build two more colors. Like as you see in this video, I am giving pink, orange, yellow, blue, green and red color to my kids. I can sort by shape, big, small, medium. Here are some other sorting activities. In-home activities: putting away utensils by shapes, sorting crayons by colors, sorting mixed veggies, fruits, balloons, cereals, etc. I hope you like this video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching.